Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? My name is Farah Naveed, I'm a dental laboratory technologist. Today I come with the topic dental casting procedure. So let's start. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. What is dental casting? I will describe how the investment mold is formed and how the wax pattern is replaced by the alloy using casting procedure. So let's begin. Dental casting procedures are essential for creating precise dental restorations like crowns, bridges, and partial denture. Here are detailed overview of the following steps in dental casting procedure are number 1 tooth preparation and impression taking, dye preparation, wax pattern fabrication, screw technique, investing, burnout casting, dye vesting, cleaning, finishing and fitting, tooth preparation and impression making. The dentist prepare the tooth by removing any decay and shaping it for the restoration. An impression of the prepared tooth is taken using a dental impression material. Dye preparation: the impression cast is used to create a model, which is dye, of the prepared tooth. Make sure finishing line of prepared crown won't disturb. Wax pattern fabrication: a wax pattern of the restoration is created on the die. This pattern replicates the exact shape and size, and thickness should be about 0.5 mm of AFM crowns. Wax pattern done only by inlay wax. Screwing technique: the purpose of a screw is to provide a channel for molten alloy to reach the mold. Once the wax has been burned, investment left with hollow replica of wax pattern. The screws are generally made of wax. The diameter and the length of the screw depend largely on the size type of the pattern, the type of the casting machine to be used, and dimension of the ring. Screw is at the point of the greatest bulk of the pattern, that is, largest sectional area of the pattern, in order to avoid problems of distortion of thin patterns. Example of screw reel. Investing: a wax pattern and screw are placed in a casting ring and surrounded by an invest material. This material hardens to form a mold around the wax pattern. The procedure for forming the mold is described as investing. Here are some images of cross-section of invested wax pattern in casting ring. You can see the image showing casting ring, wax pattern, ring liner, investment screw, and crucible former, and the image showing the crucible former and metal ring for investing for a screwed wax pattern. Step in dental casting procedure number 6: burnout. Once the investment has set for an appropriate period for about 45 minutes, it is ready for burnout. Crucible former is carefully removed. The casting ring is heated in a furnace to burn out the wax, leaving a cavity in the shape of wax pattern. Casting: the metal alloy is melted in a crucible and then cast into the mold cavity using casting machine. The molten metal fills the cavity, taking the shape of wax pattern. The most common method of heating alloy by using a gas air torch. This image shows a manual casting machine. There are many types of casting machine, but the most common is this manual and the induction casting machine. The machine uses centrifugal force for pouring molten metal into a rapid spinning investment mold, in which centrifugal force from the rotation exerts pressure on the molten metal and form a precise customized dental restoration. Divesting and cleaning, also known as removal of investment and recovery of casting. Once the metal has cooled and solidified, the casting ring is broken open and the investment material is removed. The screw is cut off and the casting is cleaned and polished. For further cleaning, prickling and sandblasting also required. Step in dental casting procedure number 9: finishing and fitting. The alloy crown cupping, finishing done by a micromotor to achieve the desired shape and smoothness. The final restoration is checked for fit on the die and the patient mouth as a trial, and then sent to the ceramic lab for forcing layering technique. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like it. Please follow for more content. Allah Hafiz.